Are uPVC windows better than aluminium? It's the wrong question really, because neither one wins outright. uPVC tends to be cheaper and a touch warmer. Aluminium is stronger, slimmer, and longer lasting. So it comes down to what matters most to you. First, uPVC. It's usually the cheaper option, and the frames naturally hold heat in well. So for most ordinary homes, uPVC edges it on both upfront cost and energy efficiency. That's why it's the most common choice in the UK. Aluminium, on the other hand, is far stronger. That means much slimmer frames, more glass and bigger panes, a sleeker, more modern look. It also resists warping and fading and tends to last longer, often 30 years or more. And don't write aluminium off on efficiency. Modern aluminium frames use what's called a thermal break to cut heat loss, so with good double or triple glazing, both materials can now reach top, A-rated performance. So there's no single winner, it's about your budget, your style, and how long you want them to last. We compare both in full over at Axiom Eco Homes. Subscribe for more straight-talking home advice.